Hello guys, this is SSJ2 Ethan and welcome to, me playing a monster truck destruction. We are going just to mess around with stuff. So, let's do this. We're just waiting for this to load. Alright. Oh, there we go. I was wondering why it was taking so long. Okay, single event. Drag race. Yeah! Hey, we did it! Okay. Yay! Yes. Okay, so we're now in the semifinals. Carolina Crusher 1980. Oh, that was close. I thought I was gonna lose here. Okay, the finals, Wildfoot. Let's do this. Oh, who won? Oh, that was a close one. I thought I was gonna lose, but man, that was close. We'll do freestyle next. Now we have to keep the combos going. Okay, keep the combos going. Also, this is the first time I have ever used Game Duck where I could just record this while, you know. Oh, lost the wheel. Oh, that was a bad one. Oh, that was a bad one. But no biggie. So let's try this again. But we were doing pretty good. So let's try this again. So we have to make sure that we keep the combos flowing. Oh, backflip. Oh. I'm just keep on trying. Okay, that bought us some extra time. But I'm losing wheels here. Darn it. Man. Okay, one more try. But if this doesn't do it, we'll try something different, okay? Woohoo! Backflip. Keep the combos flowing. Well, I lost a wheel. Man. Oh no, I lost two. Oh, now I lost another one. Oh my God, well, we weren't able to do it, but now I'll try something else. But we did improve, though. Let's try another race. Yeah. Oh! Oh. That was a good crash. Oh. Oh, that was close. Okay, final round. Oh, that was also close. But man, we are just going close race after close race. Well, I'm gonna leave this video here. So, see ya. Bye.